Before astronauts could soar into the stars, three brilliant minds were calculating every trajectory, solving complex equations and fighting to be seen in a world that tried to overlook them. Working behind the scenes at NASA during the height of the space race, these women broke barriers of race and gender. Using their intellect and determination to guide America into space, their story is one of brilliance, courage, and an unrelenting pursuit of excellence. Welcome to this channel. Today we'll be talking about the inspiring story of the three brilliant African-American women known as the human computers, who played a pivotal role at NASA. During the early years of the U.S. space program, this achievement put pressure on NASA to deliver results. Enter John Glenn, an American astronaut, who would become the first American to orbit the Earth. On February 20th, 1962, their work was often overlooked and underappreciated during their time. But their contributions are now widely recognized. In 2016, they were honored with the title of Hidden Figures, a term that has since become a cultural touchstone for celebrating the often overlooked contributions of Black women to science and technology. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Katherine Johnson, a mathematician at NASA, played a critical role in making this mission possible. Their story also highlights the often overlooked contributions of Black women to science and technology. Despite facing systemic racism and sexism, these women excelled in their fields and made significant contributions to some of NASA's most important missions. She calculated the trajectory for the Friendship 7 flight, ensuring that Glenn would be able to safely reach orbit and return to Earth. On October 4, 1957, the Soviets successfully launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. Katherine Johnson's precise calculations were essential to the success of many NASA missions, including the Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969. Dorothy Vaughan, another NASA mathematician, was instrumental in developing the software used to guide missiles and spacecraft. Mary Jackson, an aerospace engineer, broke barriers by becoming the first Black woman to work in a technical role at NASA. This event shocked the Americans and President Eisenhower quickly established the International Geophysical Year, IGY, to support a series of scientific observations from 1958 to 1959. NASA was created in 1958 with a mandate to catch up and surpass the Soviet Union in space exploration. These women, Katherine Johnson, Dorothy Vaughan, and Mary Jackson, were not just mathematicians. They were pioneers who used their intellect and determination to break barriers and help put America into space. These women, many of whom had advanced degrees in mathematics and physics, were employed by NASA to calculate trajectories, launch windows, and emergency escape procedures for the new Mercury program. They worked alongside male NASA engineers and scientists, often in segregated groups, were instrumental in the success of the first American astronaut, Alan Shepard, who became the first American to reach space on May 5, 1961. As the Cold War with the Soviet Union intensified after World War II, the United States found itself in a race against the Soviets to achieve supremacy in space exploration. During this time, NASA turned to a group of highly skilled African-American women known as the human computers to perform complex mathematical calculations for its projects. But it was the Soviet Union once again that stole the spotlight when it sent the first human, Yuri Gagarin, into orbit on April 12, 1961. Despite facing racial and gender discrimination, these women persevered and made significant contributions to NASA. These three women, along with many others, were unsung heroes of the space race. The story of these remarkable women is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of excellence in the face of adversity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative content.